What's happening, everyone? Today we are going to talk about what are affiliate links. I'm Todd G. Thanks for stopping by. Stick around to the end. I'm going to have a free affiliate super training boot camp for you, so you don't want to miss that. So let's get going. Okay, so what are affiliate links anyway? So real quick, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is just promoting other people's proven products or service, and you make a commission for making that referral. If they purchase the product through your affiliate link. So you don't have to create a product or service. You just recommend the products or services to your audience or others, and it's a great way to start an online business. In my opinion, it's the easiest way to get started with an online business, and it's one of the easiest ways to have an online business because you don't have all the overhead of owning your own product, services, customer support, etc. So again, you just recommend products or services to others, and it's also a great way to add another income stream to your business if you already have one. And by the way, you can check out more links and more videos in the description of this video where I have more videos on what is affiliate marketing. I go into it in more detail in those videos. And many companies have affiliate programs. And again, I have more information in other videos on that. But let's get into the affiliate links. So affiliate marketing links are special URLs, that's what you type in a browser, that have a unique affiliate identifier in them. The affiliate ID is unique for every person, much like a social security number in the United States or an ESSN number in Europe. Now the link tracks sales back to the affiliate by that affiliate ID, and most companies have an affiliate dashboard that you can access online for your stats, your tracking, and to get your affiliate links for each product offered. Now, here are some examples of affiliate links, and as you're going to see, they can look pretty ugly, okay? So what we want to do is make sure that there's some strategies here to shorten those URLs and to make them prettier, okay? So first example is one affiliate product that I offer. It's a web hosting through A2 Hosting, and as you can see, that link's not too bad. It's a2hosting.com/AID equals Todd G. That one's not too bad, but that's the exception. Most affiliate links are like the ones below that. The next one is a book that I offer. It's a free plus shipping book, Expert Secrets. If you don't have that book, you should get it. In fact, I have it right here. I keep it here because I read it quite often. It's a great book, and I highly recommend you check it out. And it talks about all kinds of ideas for ideas that you may not thought about, that you may already have inside of you, that you can turn into a profitable online business. Anyway, but look at that link. Is that not the ugliest thing you've ever seen? I mean, if I saw that link, if somebody sent me that, I'm like, what the hell? But you can see there's a lot of information in there. The affiliate ID is in there. There's some tracking stuff. There's some other things that are in there. But again, I personally would not recommend sending that direct link to somebody. I'll show you how to shorten that and make it prettier in just a second. The one below that is Amazon product. It's another book that I recommend. It's not free, but it's an awesome book. It's called Straight Line Leadership. In fact, got that one here too. I read this one every day. It's great. It talks about how to get what you desire in a straight line fashion and overcome all the bullshit that most people make for excuses and other things. Great read, great book. Anyway, look at that link. It's just ridiculous, right? So I use a plugin called Pretty Link Lite on WordPress. It's a free plugin, and basically the Expert Secrets book that I was talking about, it shortens that URL to moneyinthecloud.com/expert secrets. Now, isn't that much sexier than that link that's up there that has all that affiliate ID and subgroups and no autoplay and cookie and all that? So that's why I use this Pretty Link Lite plugin that I can shorten to a really easy to understand, easy to type, easy to look at, and easier on the eyes link that I send out that when they click on it, it redirects to the longer, uglier link. Now you can use URL shorteners like Google's URL shorteners, goo.gl. My understanding is they're going to take that away sometime this year, and I don't know, maybe. But there's another one called Bitly. It's a URL shortener. That's another option to shorten a URL to an easier to type URL. However, it's still not as sexy, in my opinion, as like the Pretty Link Lite WordPress plugin that really shows you, oh, I understand what this is when somebody sees the link. So those are some affiliate marketing link examples. Now, I'm going to go into cookies real quick just because that's part of the affiliate link. When you click on affiliate link, a website puts a cookie on your browser, not like a chocolate chip cookie. It's a little piece of code that downloads to your browser, and it have expiration times that vary. Some of them are short as 24 hours for like Amazon affiliate links, up to 30+ days, up to never expiring for different other affiliate programs. So it varies on the expiration time from affiliate program to affiliate program. Now, if that cookie hasn't expired, you will still get credit for the sale. If somebody clicks on that link and they don't purchase right away, but the cookie's still active and they go back later and buy that product, then you will get credit for that sale. Now, sticky cookies are pretty important. So once someone buys a product through your link, you will get credit for other sales if they buy another product from that same vendor. Now, this in my opinion is one of the best ways if you're going to have an affiliate program, if it offers sticky cookies, because you can make sales on other products that are offered by the vendor of the company and not even have to really do the work on the marketing or advertisements, because once they click on and buy that first product, they have a sticky cookie that says, oh, and if they buy this other product like an upsell or what have you, then you get commission off of those other products as well. So anyway, it's in my opinion, it's more efficient, and you do the same amount of work, but yet you have the potential to make higher commissions with the sticky cookie if the affiliate vendor offers that type of sticky cookie. Now, real quick, I'm going to touch on the affiliate last touch. The last affiliate link clicked before the sale gets the credit for that sale. Most affiliate programs are like this, not all, but say somebody clicks on somebody else's affiliate link and goes to that website but doesn't purchase, but then they read an awesome blog post by me or see a video and think that's cool, and they click on the affiliate link there, and then they go to that same vendor's site, that same product, and they purchase. Well, I would get credit for the sale because I was the last touch and the last link that they clicked on. I think it's fair. Others argue, but most affiliate programs are like this. All right, so short and to the point on this video. If you want some free affiliate super training, and I mean super training as in super affiliate, go to this link right here, moneyinthecloud.com/start. It's completely free. Affiliate marketing 5-day training online course. Gets you all the information you need about affiliate marketing and how to get started with affiliate marketing right away. Even if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, don't have a product, don't have a niche, don't have anything, we've got you covered in that training. I suggest you go check it out at moneyinthecloud.com/start. You'll come to this page, talks a little bit about the training, has yours truly on there, and then it has a blue button. Yes, Todd, give me the training now. You click that button, put your email in, boom, the training is sent to your email right away. You'll have the first day training, and then you'll get training via email every day for 5 days on that series. Awesome video training, awesome information in there, completely free. So I encourage you to check that out. All right, so that's it for today's training or today's video. So in this video, we talked about a little bit about affiliate marketing, but we really went into the details about what are affiliate links, and I showed you how ugly they usually are and how to make them look more appealing with a couple of different methods there. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and shoot any questions or comments you have below. And that's it for today's video. I'm Todd G. I will see you in the next video.